Which organization is responsible for organizing World Environment Day? United Nations Environment Programme UNEP. When is World Environment Day celebrated annually? 5th June. What is the theme for World Environment Day 2024? Land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. Which country is the global host of World Environment Day 2024? Saudi Arabia. What is the theme for World Environment Day 2023? Solutions to plastic pollution. Which country is the global host of World Environment Day 2023? India. World Environment Day was first celebrated in which year? In 1972. The United Nations declared which decade as the Decade on Ecosystem Restoration? 2020 to 2030. The symbol for World Environment Day features a tree with leaves in different colors. The Paris Agreement, a landmark international climate accord, was adopted in which year? In 2015. What is the main goal of the Reduce, Reuse, Recycle mantra? To minimize waste and promote resource conservation. What is the term for the gradual increase in the Earth's average temperature due to human activities? Climate change. What is the largest source of marine pollution? Plastics. What is the term for the process of turning waste materials into reusable materials? Recycling. What is the purpose of the 3 R's in environmental sustainability? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. What is the term for the process of restoring a degraded ecosystem to its original state? Ecological restoration. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2021? Ecosystem restoration. When was the first major conference on environmental issues under the United Nations was held? In 1972. World Environment Day was celebrated for the first time under which slogan? Only one Earth. Snakes are evolved from lizards. Some species are very rare and can be found in a particular ecosystem. These species are called endemic species. The term ecosystem was first coined by A.G. Tinsley in 1935. How many species of living organisms has identified so far in world? 8.7 to 8.9 million. Species is a non-native plant or animal introduced accidentally or intentionally by human is called as invasive or exotic. Which organ is mostly affected by black fungus? Eye, nose, skin and lungs. What are the patterns on the leopard body called? Rosettes. Which was the first biosphere reserve in India? Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which Kerala district has the maximum forest cover? Idukki. Who is known as father of Indian environmental science? R. Mishra. Which is the first national park in India? Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. When there is a discharge of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, it will cause acid rain. World Environment Day is also called as Eco Day. What is the new name of ozone layer? Ozonosphere. What is the phenomenon of heat rays returning from Earth and returning to Earth? Greenhouse effect. Who discovered ozone layer in 1913? Charles Fabry and Henry Buson. Who started Environment Day? Answer is UN General Assembly. When is World Forest Day? 21st March. What is the World Environment Day anthem called? Earth Anthem. Which movement is known as Mother of Environmental Movement? Chipko movement. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2020? Biodiversity. The most abundant gas on the Earth's atmosphere is nitrogen.